skeptics out there. Before I do this, do we all know what the Richter scale is? Okay, good. Because I've been thinking about it, and I think it's crazy that the way we measure earthquake magnitude can also be applied to dick size. Yeah, some of you get it already. Think about it. Really think about it. Say you're working with like a 3.5. You're like, did you feel that shit? Nah, nobody did. Nobody felt that. What? Wow. 5.5 to like 6, you can handle that, you know? That comes around the most often, and to be honest, might be the best one. Shut up. 6.5 to like 7, now you're like, whoa, that was wild. That was wild. We could probably go through that again, but maybe we should be more prepared next time. You know what I'm saying? And then anything above an A, you're like, oh my God, everything is ruined. Everything is ruined. And my dog's dead. What? Why? So that's been my favorite joke to tell as of late, only because like I can see where the dudes are at in the joke when I look at you and tell it. Because a lot of you look real sad at 3, but at 8, that's when this dude elbowed his girl. Like, that's me, baby. That's me. She's not disagreeing. All right. All right.